Now let's talk about subtotals in Excel. I want to use an example to show everybody how to use subtotal function in Excel. The manager in the gallery company wants to create a pie chart to show the percentage of appraised values that different categories of art pieces take in the entire inventory. Some classmates may say, "Oh, I know how to create a pie chart." So let's go to the data set, and then I select the entire data range. And then I click the Insert tab on the top. And then I click the pie chart, and then choose any type of a pie chart. Then this is what the manager wants. But if you really take a look at the pie chart we just created, is this a correct one? No, this is an incorrect pie chart, because in the current pie chart, we showed the percentage of appraised value of each art piece takes in the entire data range. However, the manager wants to know the percentage of appraised values that different categories of art pieces take in the entire inventory. So in order to create a correct pie chart, we have to calculate the total appraised values for art pieces in different categories first, and then we show the pie chart. At this moment, we need to use the subtotal function offered by Excel to create the total values of art pieces in different categories. This is how. Let's go back to the data set. First, let's remove the incorrect pie chart. You will see the blue boundary around the pie chart, right? Click on the blue boundary and then delete the pie chart. Next, click on cell A1. Click on the Art ID cell, and then click Data tab on the top. And then click Filter to add a filter on the title row. Next, we want to click on the little triangle in cell E1, and then choose Sort A to Z. Now you can see all the art pieces under the installation category are grouped together. All the art pieces under the painting category are grouped together. If you scroll down, you can see all the sculptures are grouped together. Now we have sorted the data. Let's turn off the filter button. Let's remove filter. We are about to use the subtotal functions. First, select the entire range from cell A1 to the last cell, H118. Select the entire data range. And then click the Data tab on the top. Next, click the Subtotal button. Click on Subtotal. In the first drop-down list, choose Category. In the second drop-down list, choose SUM function, the sum function. In the box below, check the box before appraised value. This means we want to calculate the total appraised values of art pieces according to their categories. And then click OK. Now you can see on the left of the data set, we have 3 new buttons, 1, 2, 3. If you click on number 1, you will see the total appraised value of the entire inventory. If you click on number 2, you will see the total appraised values of art pieces according to their categories. If you click the button with the number 3, you will see the data set in details. These 3 buttons actually shows how you want to look at the appraised value of art pieces. Number 3 shows the appraised value for each art piece. Number 2, increase the level a little bit. It shows the total appraised value for art pieces according to their categories. Number 1 shows the total appraised value of the entire inventory. To create a pie chart for our report, we need the total appraised values of art pieces under different categories. So we need to use the button number 2. Click on button number 2, and then in this data set, we want to select a data range from E1 to E122. We don't need to select the grand total, just from E1 to E122. Next, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. And then select another range from H1 to H122. Now we can release the Control key. We selected 2 data ranges, right? The first one is E1 to E122. The second one is H1 to H122. Next, click on the Insert tab on the top. And then click the little triangle on the Pie Chart button. You can choose any type of pie chart. Let's use the first option, the 2D pie chart. This is the result. We're almost there, but it will be better if we can show the percentage on the pie chart, right? Click the Design tab on the top, and then find the Chart Layouts option. Click the second layout, Layout 2. Now you can see we have the pie chart, we also have the percentage. Is this pie chart correct? This is the correct answer. It's not because I created it, because we followed the correct procedure to calculate the total values of art pieces under different categories first, and then we create the pie chart according to the subtotals. If you want to move this pie chart into a Word document, you can click the blue boundary around the pie chart to select this pie chart. And then right-click on the pie chart. Choose Copy. And then open a Word file. Right-click on the Word document. And then in the New menu, find Paste Options. Click the button with a picture icon on it. And then you can move the pie chart into the Word report.